Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Code Playground. In today's video, we're going to dive into some cool image processing with Python using Open. I'll show you how to convert a color image into a stunning pencil sketch effect in just a few lines of code. Let's get started. First, we load and display our original image using cv2.imread and cv2.imshow. Then, we convert the image to grayscale using cv2.cdt color. Next, create a negative of the grayscale image by inverting its pixel values. To get that sketch effect, we blur the negative image using Gaussian blur, invert it again, and then blend it with the original grayscale image using cv2.divide. The result is a pencil sketch version of our original image. We display both the original and the pencil sketch side by side. Remember, coding is a journey, and we're here to support you every step of the way. So, if you're new to Python or looking to improve your skills, this channel is for you. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow coders. Until next time, keep coding and stay awesome!